I'm going to do green tomatoes and dal curry. To do the preparation, first I will on the cooker, then I will put a little oil, just a wee bit of oil, and I'm going to use the mustard and dry chilies. We'll use these to stir fry. I thought I'll put a little onions also, it will be nice if I can use a wee bit of onions and a little curry leaves. That is lastly, I will just do it. Now what I am going to do is I'll keep this aside. Now I'll take this and keep aside. We will keep the other bigger saucepan, and what we are going to do now is we will put a little more oil. We put all these onions, shredded onions and the curry leaves, and start cooking. I have got the tomatoes. Can you see the tomatoes? It's a green tomatoes that we have taken. So along with that, while I am tempering, I will put these green tomatoes also. Nicely stir fry this. While we are stir frying, I'll use a little salt. Now I will use a little turmeric. Now I am using the pepper. I want this to get nicely stir fried. Okay, now what I am going to do is, for this preparation, I am going to use the dal. I said dal we are going to use. If I am going to use the dal, what you have to think is, you have to boil the dal, half boiled and kept. So now I am using the dal which I have already boiled. Halfway it's boiled. Now I will use the milk. We will use the milk into this. That is coconut milk you can use, or if you want you can use even fresh milk. Into this, now I am going to use curry powder, chili pieces. Mix it well. When preparing this, I am just thinking what we could do. If you like, you can use moldy fish into this, or you can use prawns into this. Those are things that we can always use, but as a vegetarian preparation, we won't use any of these. If I was using prawns or moldy fish, while I was tempering the onions, I would have put that and cooked. Now we don't need all this. Though it's getting nicely cooked and it has got a nice preparation. We don't want this to be too soggy, a dry preparation. Once it is ready and it's cooked and come out well, what I am going to do is, I am going to put this ingredients. What did we put? We put the mustard, dry chilies, onions and a little curry leaves. That we will put it in the middle. Okay, preparation is ready. Green tomatoes and dal preparation. To serve this preparation, we need rice, isn't it? We need the rice, yellow rice or ghee rice we call it. And my preparation with papadam. This is the best preparation, I would say, with this tomatoes and the dal preparation and the ghee rice with that. So you can have this for a very nice lunch or even for dinner, no problem, right? So whatever it is, now you are watching all these programs, so please, I would love you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will get all my recipes, and if you want any other preparation, please come out with all your ideas so that I will show you many more nice recipes. See you soon with the next episode. Thank you and bye.